Hi everyone, my name is Viksit Bharat from class 9 of St. Paul's School, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. Today I will be discussing a problem with you and tell you an innovative idea for it. Our problem is visual understanding between rural and urban people. A village doesn't know about how digital technology works, like to find government schemes and even online help. One thing she's poor, one thing she's rich, one feels lower and one feels higher. So for this we have an idea, school buddy online project. Once a month they pair a village girl with one city girl for a video call. They will talk, show and teach. The village girl will give her a virtual tour of village farming traditions and of stories. And the city girl will teach her about how to pay bills online and you will find schemes, etc. They talk, teach, and became friends. And wrong thoughts vanish and see they are equal, and in the end I would say it's easy. School with school help and they'll know they're equal. Let's start School Buddy Online Day. Thank you.